أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alphabets of Arabic, Alhamdulillah. Second last letter today. After that completed, Alhamdulillah. Yesterday's lesson, which please one time read, brother.
All right. Yes, inshallah, right now. So yesterday we had the I'm gonna go to the new one after just 1 second because I have them here. I written down everything. So
With
yesterday, do you want to go from the new alphabet?
Throttle letter,
The new
throttle,
one?
throttle letter, throat, throat
Yes,
place, yeah,
throat
near
it.
your chest.
Ha, ha,
Ha, bold.
ha,
Also,
ha. Throaty, bold.
yeah, but with two eyes, ha, same word, but in two different style. That's ha, and in this ha. Before old page open, please, one time. Ha, read. I think you understand. Alhamdulillah.
Ha, yes, alhamdulillah.
In which color ha?
In purple.
Purple. And in new page, which color ha?
In new page, it's yellow.
Yellow. After yellow, which letter?
After yellow, did we get to the new
It's
one?
person name. It's person name.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Yes. Hamza.
Hamza. Mashallah. Mashallah. After that, in which color letter after Hamza?
Red.
Red is ya. Ya.
Yeah.
If you drink, if you like a coffee, yeah. It's example, okay, don't forget this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you like if you like cool drink, no. If you like coffee,
No.
yeah. Yes. In cool weather, we like coffee. Are you like? Yeah. It's yeah. Okay. In which color yeah?
The ya color, it's in red.
After that, which color letter after that?
Purple.
Also that yeah, but different style. Same yeah. And other time sometime coming bottom side 2 dots. That's also yeah. Yeah, that's same. The word is same, but styles are different. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
What is this?
Yeah.
Are you like Quran lesson? Are you like Quran lesson? Yeah. Alhamdulillah. This yeah. Okay, this ya lesson from the alif, one time practice please. From the alif,
right?
Bismillah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitan. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif, ba, ta, jim, ha, dal, ra, za, sin, shin, shad, dad, ta, da, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, ha, waw, hamza, ya.
Okay. Mashallah, good. And Nice, mashallah. La quwwata illa billah. Ja. Okay, it's ja. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. I think you understand now. Alhamdulillah, this one. But I will send you a new lesson today with this one. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما. Throughout the letters and other letters today. Okay, brother. One time dua, tell me dua. Last time dua I was teach you while with you doing video. I was make for you special video. Can you memorized?
Oh, that was the one. That was after, I think, 16. Lesson 16. Was lesson 16 the one you made it? Let me see here. Yes. That was the one after eating. Yes. I think it was this one. But there was another one. It was 2, I think. There were 2. Okay, let's go with this one after eating, inshallah.
Yeah.
I'll go only Arabic and then I can explain. Or I'll go first to explain, so maybe it's going to be more good for everyone. Dua after eating, what it means, all praise is for Allah who fed me this and provided it for me without any might nor power from myself. This is what it means. Kids, say this to kids. Tell Allah how happy you were with all your yummy food. Mom and Dad, this is a really amazing way to eat and the meal. Did you know that the hadith says whoever says this supplication, his sins shall be forgiven, as mentioned in the hadith. The translation of this dua, it's Alhamdulillah ladhi ata'amana hadda wa razakanihi min ghayri hawlin minna wala quwwa.
Again.
Alhamdulillah ladhi at'amana hadda wa razakanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa.
Sometime repeat it with closing eyes you are reading.
This was with open and closed eyes, both.
Sometime try it please with memorization. For memorization. One time with closing eyes, with one time with opening eyes, please.
Alhamdulillah alladhi ata'amana hadda wa razakanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa.
Yeah. Sometime please.
Alhamdulillah alladhi ata'amana hadda wa razakanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa.
ولا قوة.
ولا قوة. Alhamdulillah alladhi ata'amana hadda wa razakanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa.
Yeah, sometime please. الحمد لله الذي أطعمني هذا ورزقنيه من غير حول مني ولا قوة. Yeah, please.
الحمد لله الذي أطعمنا حد ورزقنيه من غير حول مني ولا قوة.
مني ولا قوة. مني, grip on the end. Ni.
Yes. الحمد لله الذي أطعمنا حد ورزقنيه من غير حول مني ولا قوة
ولا قوة
ولا قوة
ولا قوة no ولا قوة. Don't grip on the
ولا قوة.
ولا قوة.